2 years ago, he engineered BJP's return to power in Karnataka. Now, Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa may just be on his way out. Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa in Belagavi said that he's going to be getting information from the top leadership in Delhi by the time he reaches Bengaluru, and further decision is going to be taken based on that. B.S. Yediyurappa also urged the seers not to hold the convention. The Lingayat seers have rallied behind Chief Minister in a mega show of strength. They've organized a key meeting. About 500 odd seers are attending this meeting, which is seen as a strong message by the Lingayat community against B.S. Yediyurappa's removal as the Chief Minister. BJP top brass has been upset over Yediyurappa's last-ditch effort to try and prevent a Yexit. Meanwhile, India today has learned that B.S. Yediyurappa will celebrate 2 years in office with a mega event in Vidhan Soda on Monday. On the agenda, a book release on Yediyurappa's achievements in the last 2 years, a speech and the work done by the government too. So we'll get you the latest as far as the exit is concerned. There's been a hint that has been dropped, but everything is speculation at the moment. We're getting some reactions coming in on this. Take a look.
ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಗಳು ಒಂದು ಸಭೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಸಮಾವೇಶ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ
ಅದೇನು ಯಾವುದೇ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳ ಈ ತರ ಸಭೆ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರಧಾನಿ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ ಅವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಅಮಿತ್ ಶಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಡ್ಡಾ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇದೆ. ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
ಸರ್, ದಲಿತ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಸಹ ಯಾರು ದಲಿತ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ?
ಅದು ನಾನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಮೊದಲು ಏನ್ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ಕಾದ್ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
शनि और सूर्य जब भी एकट होता है, राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री या प्रधानमंत्री फ्रंट लाइन में रहते हैं. उनका अपना स्थान देने वाला ही शनि है. वो शनि यहाँ पर अब वक्र चल रहा है, गुरु वक्र चल रहा है. ये अप एंड डाउन कैसा हो रहा है? ये राहु ग्रह और शनि ग्रह दोनों ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है ना. ये जब तक है सितंबर तक ऐसा ही चलेगा. सितंबर से नवंबर तक एक अस्थिर रहेगा. वो स्थिरता कब आएगा? सितंबर से नवंबर तक स्थिरता हो.
Nolan is now joining us live for the very latest on this. Nolan, we are getting some inputs coming in as far as Yexit is concerned. A hint is being dropped also by Yediyurappa, but nothing is certain unless and until Yediyurappa really hears from the high command here in the national capital. What's the latest coming in on that front?
Well, in fact, it's all speculations as of now, Chaiti, because we have to wait for the Chief Minister to arrive in the city. He's currently in Belagavi overseeing the flood relief and flood rescue operations over there. He says very clearly that only when he gets to know, when he gets a call from the centre, either from Nadda or the Prime Minister or from Amit Shah, will he actually come and let us know whether he'll be resigning today or tomorrow and what's the next step. Because as of now, a lot of speculations in the air. If he resigns, who will be next? Who's the person? Will it be from the Brahmin community? Will it be a Vokaliga? Will it be a Lingayat? No one knows. Now, to make sure that it is a Lingayat who will be replacing him, this convention is actually going on in my background. It's a massive convention of a large number of seers from the Lingayat community who have actually come over here. Now, all this is sort of like lobbying. Since the past few days, most of these seers have already gone and met the Chief Minister at his official residence. They have spoken to him. They have come out in the media stating that they are with the Chief Minister. The Chief Minister is the tallest leader in the party, and they have very, very clearly and openly stated, basically threatened the government, saying that, and the BJP, saying that if you replace B.S. Yediyurappa, then mostly it would be the end of the BJP over here. So don't touch him. All they want is this, that he completes his term and then the BJP can do whatever. That's the issue over here.
All right, that clears a lot of things right there. Nolan, we'll keep coming back to you for more on this story. Let's move on to the